So I've just finished masking everything up. Now it's time to prime the bare metal and then it's ready to paint.
As part of the series, we're going to be following my journey as I learned to convert my 2006 Toyota Hiace commuter into a fully off-grid camper van.
So just grab some wax and grease remover again and a clean rag. Just clean over all the spots you're going to prime. So the sills, just anything where it's got bare metal. One final clean. Just finished the first prime, or the last prime before painting. So if you remember, this was our first patch that we welded on. So that's looking good. And then these sills here, these are the ones we patched over. So I think there was a hole there. Where else? Hole there, hole there, hole there, and hole there. So they've, you can notice a little bit, there's a few undulations, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. There's a hole there and hole there, so they've come in quite well. Down the end here, these holes have all been filled up. So, a bit of paint, and it should look good. So this is the back patch that we welded on. Looks quite good. There's no sort of evidence of the welds or anything like that, which I'm pretty happy with. We've got the sills up here, so they've blended in quite nicely. A few undulations, but it's not the end of the world. So there's a hole here. Where else? There's a hole here. There's a big hole there. There's a hole there. On this one, there was 2 holes here. There's one in the middle there. And I think there's a few down this end here. So they've blended in quite nicely. So once they're sprayed, hopefully you shouldn't draw your eye to them. Anyway, on the side here, all our little puckered holes of the rust have all gone. So it's a very smooth finish down to the end here. And if you remember, that's where we patched the hole near the petrol tank. There's a little bit of warping there, but it's smooth enough that hopefully when we paint it, you won't really notice it. But all those puckered holes are all gone, which is great. And what else? Got sills. So these sills came in quite nicely. This one was a bit of a hairy one to try and blend in on these angles, but you know, it turned out quite well. All these holes here are patched up. Hole here, holes here. So hopefully when we paint it, it should look quite seamless.